Hi, everybody. So, we're going to be checking out Raphael from the Super 7 line. Um, Sorry about that. Okay. Um, so, I already got him open. I won't waste the time. So, let's check out the box. Obviously, you got the shipper, you got your standard green outside box, and then you've got the other box with the little thing about Raphael. Pause it if you want. And that's pretty much the box. A lot of packaging. Oh yeah, you do have the back that comes in that holds all the accessories in. So let's do this here. So we got this first, the back part of the accessories. My weapon tree had fallen off and was in the back of the box, kind of warped. But you do get the standard brown weapons. You get another weapon holding set. Let me turn this around, might be easier to see. Then you got the more splayed out style hands, and I'm guessing those are just for the different size handles. Looks like this one's a gap, so maybe you can get different weapons in there, and this one's less of a gap. I probably won't use any of those. He's gonna be holding his size. I mean, that's just what you do with Raphael. Then, oh yeah, there's this other tray of weapons. Let's look at this while we're at it. So, let's zoom out. There we go. So you have a closed turtle com, an open turtle com, small dagger, big dagger, and then the sword hook. You got 2 painted throwing stars and a piece of pizza. You also got 2 different style of size. So you got this chrome painted ones, which this one's all warped to shit. It was in there kind of jacked up too. And then you got the non-chrome painted ones. So you can kind of see the difference between the two there. I like the chrome painted ones, so that's what we're going to go with. This is going to be kind of a quick review because I'm not one of those people that goes through and shows you how all the accessories work. You know how they work. You put them in the hands, then they hold them. No big deal. I'm going to show you how I'm going to display it, and that's going to be it. But here is Raphael's head, the toy version. And I'm hoping this... Oh, come on, you bitch. Ugh, there we go. And the other alternate head, which, man, I was going to keep these guys toy heads on them. That's how I had Leonardo, but after seeing this Raphael head, I'm going to be switching them out. This head is really awesome. So let's, you know what? Let's put it size where they go. Oh, those hands are good. I like those hands. Those weapons just really slide in there easy. Okay, I like that. Man, I wish he could hold his other accessories. I will be taking this dagger weapon, since he is one of the few figures that has extra little storage. So we'll go ahead and do that. You know what? Let's do one up, one down. There we go. Alright, so I've already showed Leonardo's articulation. It's the exact same, so if you want to see them, check them out. They're not great. They're basic articulation at best. The only issue I've had, let me see if I can zoom in and see if it'll show it, is when I move the ankle, mine started to get a crack right there, and it looks like it would continue all the way over if it was to put any pressure on it, so just be careful. This one does seem like it's got like quite a bit more range on the swivel. That's the only real differences that I've noticed. But that is kind of how he's going to sit on the display. Once I get all of these guys out of their packages, I might do a review over all of them, kind of show you how they all look together. But you don't get a ton of motion out of the movement out of these guys, so getting them to look cool is going to be really tough. I mean, you're basically going to have them standing there. Maybe if I can get him picking his teeth. Nope. Man, it looks like it would just be so easy, but you won't hold the pose. And then when you do get it, it bends the sigh. There we go. So I think that's how he's going to be in the display case. So I'm going to call that a day and get the foot soldier up here to review. So